Hello everyone, I'm looking and cooking shows with Micah and Elsie and little puppy and brownie. Hi! Say hi! Hi, Elsie, the little puppy and brownie. Hi! Elsie, say hi. Hi! Today we're making cereal. We need cereal, a box of cereal, a bowl, milk, spoon. If you want raspberries, they're right here. Let's get cooking. Now what's the first thing we need? Can you guess?
Cereal.
Yeah, okay, you got it.
Because that's always the first.
Put the cereal in the bowl. Hang on, let me. I think this one always has to be. You put the cereal in the bowl.
That's it.
Yeah.
Well, that's only two.
No. Come on, cereal, work. Hey, why is there any cereal on my hand?
I think that's all.
Next, we need milk. If you want, you don't need the water or the oven today for making cereal. Run away, Dad. Pour the milk into the cereal bowl. If you want more of it. Next, add milk. If you want berries, let's sprinkle 4 berries and 7 blueberries and 7 4 raspberries.
We could use them for our hair and ears. We could use them for hair.